Hi friends, welcome to DSA Progress channel. Today we'll look at rotate string problem statement. So the problem statement states that given two strings S and goal, return true if and only if S can become goal after some number of shifts on S. A shift on S consists of moving the leftmost character of S to the rightmost position. For example, if S is equal to ABCDE, then it will be BCDEA after one shift. So A comes to the last. So let's try to solve it. The algorithm that we'll be using is, first we'll check if both the input and goal have the equal number of characters length. If it is equal, we'll proceed with our logic. So first let's write the base condition. If our s dot length is, if it is not equal to our goal dot length, then we will return false. Now coming back to the original logic, what we'll do is we'll try to shift the elements one by one to the right to check it and compare it with the goal. So first we'll go till s dot length I plus plus. So first we'll create a intermediate string called rotated, which will take our, it will create a substring of I, and we'll add the first element to the right side. So s dot substring of 0 to I. That way we would have shifted, we have partitioned s to two parts with first element on the right side and the remaining elements on the left side. Now we will check if our rotated string is equals to the goal. If yes, then we'll return true. If not, we will continue, and this is the end of method and this is the end of class. This is the end of method. So here we'll return if we don't find our, goal. If it is not equal, then at the end we'll return false. Let's run this. Both the test cases have passed. Let me submit this code. Yes friends, so all the 65 test cases have passed. Thank you.